Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Title of today's video, Beyond the Basics, Excel Formulas, Excel Intermediate Part 2. In this video tutorial we will discuss on 3 essential Excel functions: product, median, and mode. These functions are powerful tools for performing calculations and analyzing data within your spreadsheets. Product is used to calculate the product of a range of cells. This is equivalent to multiplying the values in those cells together. Median is used to find the middle value in a data set. It's a measure of central tendency that is less sensitive to outliers than the mean. Mode is used to determine the most frequently occurring value in a data set. It can be helpful for identifying trends or patterns within your data. In this tutorial, we'll explore each of these functions in detail and see how they can be used to solve various problems in your spreadsheets. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of Excel's advanced capabilities together. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Your support means a lot. Start. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this video, we're continuing our exploration of advanced Excel functions. Our first function of this video is the product function. Let's dive in and learn how to use it effectively. The product function is a statistical function that calculates the product of a range of cells. Unlike the sum function, which adds values together, product multiplies them. Demonstration: let's see how it works. In cells F3 to P3, we have a series of numbers from 1 to 11. To calculate the product of these numbers using the product function, we can follow a few steps. Individual selection: we can select each cell individually, separating them with commas within the function's parentheses. For example, equals product, F3, G3, H3. Range selection: alternatively, we can select the entire range of cells at once. In this case, the function would be equals product, F3 P3. For this demonstration, we'll use the range selection method. Once we enter the formula and press enter, Excel will calculate the product of the numbers in the specified range. In this example, the result is 39,916,800, which is displayed in the merged cells G4 to O4. As you can see, the product function is a valuable tool for performing calculations that involve multiplication in Excel. The median function is a statistical function that calculates the middle value in a data set. Unlike the average function, which calculates the mean, median is less sensitive to exceptions, making it a more robust measure of central tendency. This is because the median is not influenced by extreme values in the data. To find the median value manually, arrange the data set in ascending order. This means listing the values from smallest to largest. Identify the middle value. If there's an odd number of data points, the median is the middle value. If there's an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle values. Note: the median is unaffected by the frequency of values in the data set. For example, if a value appears multiple times, it's still counted as a single data point when determining the median. Necessity of the function median. Imagine you have a group of friends, and you want to find out their average age. You could add up all their ages and divide by the number of friends. This would give you the average age. However, if one of your friends is much older or younger than the others, their age could significantly affect the average. For example, if most of your friends are teenagers, but one friend is 50 years old, the average age would be much higher than the typical age of your friends. The median function is like finding the middle age of your friends. You would arrange their ages in order from youngest to oldest, and then find the age that is exactly in the middle. This middle age is the median. I asked Gemini AI to explain the term median for those viewers not coming with a science background in Standard 12, and it helped me create this analogy. The median is a better way to understand the typical age of your friends if there are some very different ages in the group. It's not affected as much by those extreme ages. Don't forget to write in the comments about this explanation. How it works. The median function is a statistical function that calculates the middle value in a data set. The method for finding the median depends on whether the data set has an odd or even number of values. Odd number of values. Arrange the data in ascending order. The median is the middle value. For example, in the data set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the median is 5. Even number of values. Arrange the data in ascending order. The median is the average of the two middle values. For example, in the data set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the median is 6 plus 8, / 2 equals 7. Now I am switching over to the dashboard. Function number 19, median. Demonstration 1. Now, using the drop-down menu, we'll switch from the product function to the median function. Let's dive in and learn how to use it effectively. Understanding the median, let's see how the median function works. In cells F3 to P3, we have a series of numbers from 1 to 11. To calculate the median of these numbers, we can use the following formula, equals median, F3 P3. This formula tells Excel to calculate the median of the range of cells from F3 to P3. Once you enter the formula and press enter, Excel will calculate the median. In this example, the result is 6, which is displayed in the merged cells G4 to O4. The median of a data set is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order. In this case, the numbers are already in ascending order, and the middle value is 6. Demonstration 2, understanding the median's resilience. Now, let's experiment with the median function to see how it responds to changes in the data set. Scenario 1, changing a value. If we change the value in cell F3 from 1 to 0, you'll notice that the median value remains unchanged. This is because the median is a robust measure of central tendency, meaning it's not significantly affected by outliers or changes in individual values. Scenario 2, deleting a value. Now, let's delete the data from cell F3, leaving us with a series of numbers from 2 to 11. Since we now have an even number of values, the median is calculated by taking the average of the two middle values. In this case, the middle values are 6 and 7, so the median is 6 plus 7, divided by 2 equals 6.5. As you can see, even when we modify the data set, the median function continues to provide a reliable representation of the central tendency. Demonstration 3, Excel's automatic sorting for median calculation. Let's see how Microsoft Excel automatically sorts data in ascending order when calculating the median. Our initial data series was the numbers 1 to 11, entered in cells F3 to P3. Data rearrangement: even if we rearrange the data, the median value remains unchanged. For example, let's swap the values in cells F3 and P3. Now we have 11 in F3 and 1 in P3. Excel automatically arranges the data in ascending order before calculating the median. So, even though we manually rearranged the data, Excel's internal sorting mechanism ensures that the calculation is correct. Result: as you can see, the median value for our data set remains 6. This demonstrates the robustness of the median function, which is not affected by the order of the data in Excel. Demonstration 4, let's demonstrate how to calculate the median value in a data set using Microsoft Excel, even when there are duplicate values. Step 1, enter your data. In this example, we have entered the numbers 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 11, 11 into cells F3 to P3. Step 2, rearrangement of the data. For manual calculations, we would need to rearrange the data set in ascending order. The rearranged data set would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 11, 11, and 11. Excel automatically performs this virtual shifting of the data before calculating the median and considers that series is starting from cell F3 and we will find our median value on cell K3, but we are watching here the value is 6. Now if we consider the virtual shifting of the data set towards left, then the value on the cell K3 will be 7, and as you can see, the median value for our data set is 7. This means that half of the numbers in our data set are below 7, and half are above it. Note, even though there are duplicate values in our data set, the median function still calculates the correct middle value. This demonstrates the versatility of the median function in handling various data sets. Function number 20, Mode function. Now, using the drop-down menu, we'll switch from the median function to the mode function. Let's dive in and learn how to use it effectively. The mode function in a statistical analysis is used to find the most frequently occurring number in a data set. If there are no repeated numbers, that is, all numbers are unique, there is no mode. In such cases, in the mode function in Excel will return an error. Therefore, the mode function is not applicable for data series with no data repetition. This is because the mode is defined as the value that appears most often in a data set. If all values appear only once, there is no most frequent value, and therefore no mode. Example: student grades. Imagine a class of students who took a recent exam. Here are their grades: 85, 92, 85, 78, 95, 85, 90, 88, 92, 85. In this example, the most frequently occurring grade is 85. It appears 4 times, while all other grades appear only once. Therefore, the mode of this data set is 85. This means that 85 was the most common grade among the students. Demonstration 1, Understanding the mode function. Let's explore how the mode function works in Excel. Step 1. Enter your data. In cells F3 to P3, we have a series of numbers from 1 to 11. Step 2. Calculate the mode. To find the mode, use the following formula, equals mode, F3 P3. This tells Excel to calculate the mode of the numbers in cells F3 to P3. Step 3. Analyze the result. When you enter the formula and press enter, Excel will calculate the mode. If there is no mode, that is, all numbers are unique, Excel will display #n/a. This is the case in our initial data set. Let's change one of the values. If we change one of the numbers to a duplicate, Excel will identify the mode. For example, if we change the value in cell F3 to 4, Excel will calculate the mode and display 4 as the result. This is because 4 is now the most frequently occurring number in the data set. The mode function has various applications. Statistical analysis, identifies common trends and patterns. Business and finance, optimizes inventory, analyzes sales, and ensures quality. Education, analyzes student performance and identifies common errors. Social sciences, analyzes demographics and opinions. Other applications, cleans data and processes images. That concludes our exploration of these essential Excel functions. These functions form the backbone of intermediate Excel proficiency. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into intermediate Excel concepts. Stay tuned for more advanced techniques and tips that will take your Excel skills to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. If you've made it this far, I'm assuming you're already a subscriber. But just in case, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tips. Your support means the world to me.